Just doing a wee tutorial for James Blunt's You're Beautiful. Capo should be on the 7th fret. I'm only putting it on the 3rd for demonstration, just so you can see the chords. But really you should be taking these chords right up the board and bringing your capo with you to the 7th fret. This is just for the purpose of video. The chords are G, D over F sharp, which is just lifting your second finger off the 6th string, 3rd fret, and putting your first finger on the 6th string, 2nd fret. E minor 7, C add 9. G, D, E, and C. Just call it those wee short bits for the purpose of the video. The strum pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up. I'm going to call out the chords and the lyrics as I go through the song nice and slowly for you, and hopefully this helps you. I'll do it quite slow, so I'll do a little intro and then I'll come in. So D, D, up, down, down, up, E, up, down, down, up, C. Start the G. My life is brilliant to the D. My love is pure to the E. To the C, of that I'm sure, to the G. She smiled at me in the subway, to the D. She was with another man, to the A minor 7. Stay on it. No sleep all night. I've got a plan. To the C add 9. You're beautiful, the D. To the G. You're beautiful. To the C add 9, to the D again. To the C add 9. I saw your D and a G, the D's E. To the C add 9. And I don't know D to do E minor 7. C add 9 to the D. I'll never be a solo. Continue the solo. That is a little bit quick. Change those chords there for that little part. To the G. Yes, you got my eye. To the D. As I walked on by. To the E. As you can see from my face that I was C add 9 high. And to the G. And I don't C add 9. You're beautiful, to the D, to the G. You're beautiful, to the C add 9 again. You're beautiful, the D, it's true, the G, to C add 9. There must be an angel, the D, with a G, with a smile on dear D, face with the E, to the C add 9. She thought that I should be with thee. To the G, to the D, to the E. When it's time for the D, oh sorry, C. It's time to D, the E truth. C, D, G. I'll never solo. Now some of those little parts are tricky. I've done it very slow there, where it goes like G, D, E, and that there. Now it is a little bit tricky. Watch through the video nice and slowly. I'll give it a little run through a little bit faster and the normal sort of speed, and you can hopefully pick up from there. So play the first part on your own until you get the feel for it, and then join me. So solo. To the G. As I walked on by the E, see from my face that I was flying high, and she don't think that I'll see her again. But we share a moment, oh, that's till the end. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, that's true. Must be an angel, but a storm of this. You thought that I should be with you. Well, that's really it, guys. Sorry, my video was messing about there. It's just giving you a wee run through. Just take your time, play it slow, the first part, and then just kick in with me. And good luck. Likes and shares are much appreciated. Subscribes are on top of this world, so please get in touch if I can help you in any way. And good luck. It is a little bit tricky, but it is so worth it. Take care and speak to you guys soon.